Welcome to Intermittent Fasting 101, your guide to healing your metabolism and unlocking a healthier you. We're going to dive into the science behind intermittent fasting and show you exactly how to get started today. First, let's tackle a common myth. Does skipping meals actually destroy your metabolism? Contrary to popular belief, strategic meal skipping or intermittent fasting actually optimizes your metabolic function, making it more flexible and efficient. To understand why IF works, we need to look at the powerful metabolic process it triggers. Intermittent fasting forces your body into something called the metabolic switch, a state where your body shifts its primary fuel source. Instead of constantly relying on sugar from recent meals, your body taps into stored body fat for energy. Think of it like a hybrid car, switching from gas to electric. A key benefit of fasting is lowering insulin levels. Lower insulin signals your body to stop storing fat and start releasing it. Now that we know the science, let's explore the most popular and easiest method for beginners, the 16 to 8 method. The 16 to 8 method involves fasting for 16 hours and restricting your eating to an 8-hour window each day. Your typical 16-hour fasting period might run from 8 p.m. until 12 p.m. the next day. A significant portion of this is during sleep. Your 8-hour eating window then opens from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., allowing for 2 to 3 meals within that time. To ensure you get the full metabolic benefits, you need to follow the rules of a clean fast. A clean fast means consuming absolutely 0 calories during your 16-hour window. This is critical to keep your insulin low. The only things permitted during your fast are water, black coffee, and plain unsweetened tea. Crucially, avoid adding milk, cream, sugar, or any flavored sweeteners to your coffee or tea, as these will break your fast. By adopting this powerful tool, you're doing much more than skipping a meal. Fasting promotes mental clarity, reduces inflammation, and shifts you from being sugar-dependent to enjoying sustainable, long-lasting energy. For a complete step-by-step guide and meal plans for your eating window, visit Sazibox Health today and start your metabolic healing journey.